Hey Uncle, how you doing? Hope you're well. The hell is this here? Nice, nice, nice. 66 pips on NAS. What did you catch on NAS? Let's have a look. You catch some buys on NAS? I know, I'm guessing you probably took pull back into here, push up. You posted a short clip. Nice, nice, nice. Good job. You're welcome, my man. See what we got going on in the market today. On NZD. NZD. Second half of the year, so we can just inflation expectations. You at work, Ankle? Hey DV, how you doing? Move this up here. How's your day, DV? I don't know why I'm yawning. Been to the gym, should be fresh. Just feel tired today. Is there any pairs any of you guys are having a look at? Anything particular? Yeah, it's been yeah, I don't think much is going to happen on gold until next week now. Personally, going to be looking for some buys next week. I think we kind of had this move here. We had a pullback. We then had this. Internally, we kind of had this bearish shift, and we've even broken above this here. So we had a change here after, even if we kind of keep this as is as a break. So we had that change. So we've now kind of created this range. And you could see we have this demand sit slightly below this. So you could look to start trading that M15 pullback from next week, in my opinion. Back up into like 1969, 1970 region. On what? On what from this week? Oh, to be fair, a couple of my trades were swing trades this week. AUD USD was pretty much for me it was a swing trade anyway, because I took this on Monday and it played out on Wednesday. So that was 66 pips. It was like a 7.5 hour trade. And then I also had GBP CHF. That was on the watch list. That was a 10.3 hour trade. And that was 86 pips. And also ADJPY, this was 14 hour. And that was so I closed 80% of my trade over here. So 80% was closed at like 65 pips, and the rest 20% ran till full TP. So been a good week. Be right back, guys. I need to nip to the loo. Hey Damien, sorry about that guys, I was just bathroom. Great video, very productive one to it. No worries, glad you enjoyed it, and hopefully the next session you're smashing it based on what we discussed. And hopefully the most important thing is it makes sense to you. Oh, look at Nas, crazy. What's this? So yeah, we have this daily supply. It's like on a rampage. I know, as tempting as it is to kind of focus on catching trades and stuff, but trust me, the most important part is master the craft and then the rest will follow. Nas is insane. So Nas, daily break there. We've now got a daily break to the top side here. Yeah, Nas is flying this to do all this AI stuff, and the tech stocks are doing. Nas is obviously heavily the tech company, so they're doing well. So Nas is like a reflection of those. See, do we have anything happening with some of these other pairs? So AUD CAD. It's in this demand, but I don't really expect this demand to hold. Could definitely come deeper. But do we have any? It's just choppy. Not much with that. CAD CHF. Oh my god, this is just like stuck in this range. Doesn't want to do anything. Anyone else catch any trades today? Yeah, things have been a bit sideways. And remember, we're getting into the next couple of months where it's like summer, June, July, the volume isn't the same. You know, most of the hedge fund traders and stuff, a lot of people start having time off because of summer. And I think there's like a legislation or some rules where they have to take 2 weeks off, like together. So a lot of people choose to take time off in summer. And a lot of the governments, they recess during summer, so there's not as much volatility and stuff during summer months. Not to say there isn't trades. Over last stream, where are we now? Well, I think the best NZD trade was CAD NZD, I believe. Was it CAD? The GP NZD? No, which one was it? NZD CAD. Remember NZD CAD was up here when I caught over here. Talking about shorts, and I said it was going to come down to here. And look where it is now. The shorts are up over here at this area of supply. It's less volume, definitely. I wouldn't say it dies down, but it's definitely less volume. Not as many non-stop opportunities like we have, but still trading abilities. But if anyone was going to take some time off, that's the best time. NZD-CHF is where we kind of said it is floating around there, so see what next week brings. If we can see some bullish shift to the top side with this. But NZD CAD was the... I didn't catch this myself, but this is part of the watch list. What did this drop? 250 pips. 250 pips. Yeah, so you get a lot of the hedge fund traders, and like I said, a lot of the governments, they're going to like recess in terms of like less big events happening. So due to that, there's obviously less volatility and stuff in the markets. Still volume, just not as much. M15 break here. Four hours so due for a pullback on UJ. You guys up to much on the weekend? Then we're gonna see gold come up into here. Probably head down. Yeah, NZD CAD, yeah, it's in that area of demand, but again, yeah, it's in that daily area of demand, so this could act as a daily pullback. Now we've had a daily break, and you could see we have all of this imbalance here on the 4 hour. We did see this good push off from here, but let's see. You'd probably want to see like a breakout of this kind of supply here, if we could kind of see this hold and create another high and then a pullback, then we could comfortably look at trading this. Clean the cars. Well, it's the weather for it, so that's it, DV. Keep the grind going. How's the weather for you out there, Damien? Your side of the world. Fahrenheit, so 83 Fahrenheit to Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius. Ah, nice and warm. That is nice. Are you in Florida? Yeah, I was actually looking to me and my wife were gonna go there, but the weather was just like last week we were gonna go. It was just crazy. Like I was looking at the weather and it was just like saying thunderstorm and rain, thunderstorm and rain, thunderstorm and rain. I was like, what the hell? So even now, looking at Miami, it says Saturday rain, rain, Monday, Tuesday rain, rain. It's just like, is that how it is? Oh, is it afternoon showers? That's pretty crazy. Look at gold. Best time to come is between November and March. Right, I'll bear that in mind. We'll plan it. Say to my wife to plan it for then. Yeah, there's tons to do. I was looking online. It's a place that I've not been. Like, been Vegas many times, been other parts of the UK, but never went to Miami, and we were definitely looking at going, but just more than welcome, Uncle. Interesting. Is gold gonna head down here to see a next push up? January is perfect, sunny and 72 degrees out, 22 degrees. Nice. Yeah, dollar's just been on a rampage. Look at dollar's just insane. But I think we could see some resistance, just some sell-off into this next week in this supply. Setting up nicely for a dollar pullback next week. As if we mark the low to the high. Perfect unmitigated area of demand. See that. Wow, look at gold. You're welcome, Uncle. Indeed. Quality over quantity any day of the week. Glad to hear it, Damien. Streaming is just, I don't know, it's just my mood. Like, I just randomly jump on. I'm very random when it comes to streaming. Look at that, looking to make a new low. Indeed, you know, I ain't in no rush. I trade full time. Trading is my job. You know, so I have no time frame that things need to grow within. Do I think gold will reverse from here? Well, we need to wait and see. We did see a change over here. Now price is in this area. Kind of want to see how it reacts from this zone. Does it hold up here? Does it break through, or what does it do? You know, demand is sitting at the base of this, kind of over here. Hey Mills. I do think gold is going to head up from this point. How you been, Mills? You're having a barbecue on Sunday with the family. Nice. Enjoy, enjoy. Yeah, Bitcoin buyers here were good. You could see, look at perfectly respected this zone. Start to push off. So I think pullbacks on Bitcoin and continuations are pretty pretty good. Hey Ty. Look at gold. If we all lived close, I would invite everyone for this. If price holds this area, it could be a good area to see price pushing up. Feeling hungry now, talking about all of this food talk. Right, everyone, I'm gonna call it a day from trading. It's been a long week. Hope everyone had a good one. Have a good, enjoyable weekend. And yeah, I'll share the weekly watch list over the weekend. And Anko, I'll catch you tomorrow. You miss GU? No, I didn't do GU. I'll quickly do GU. What's happening on GU? I think GU's in a good area for weekly pullback. So we kind of had this shift above these previous highs and pulled back. So I think leading into next week we could see a pullback back into 1.24200 for the next 15-minute push. So we could see this for the next 15 push down. So I think eventually price is heading towards 1.22800, and then from here we could see a potential higher time frame pullback, maybe a deeper pullback. Otherwise, over the next couple of weeks, I think we could see pound heading as low as 1.20800. But for now, I think the 15-minute pullback is in play. So we could, if price holds this area, if price breaks through this, then we're just coming straight down to these lows. But if price holds this area, then we could potentially see a pullback into this region up here. So if you're looking for shorts and just a safer trade, either wait for price to come into this 1.22860, or wait for price to pull back into 1.24200 region before any kind of trade. That's great. Well, listen, everyone, have a good one, and I will catch up with you all over the weekend or next week. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.